Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the battery. Okay. The first thing you have to take out all the screw back of this laptop. So many screws. Make sure you take out all the screw. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the laptop. After you take out all the screw back of the laptop, okay, you just open the cover. It's a clip, just open it, take it out like this. Okay. Now you need to take out the screws, these screws on the battery. Remove the screw here. Okay. Try to disconnect the battery. Remove the battery cable. It's here. Just disconnect it. Push it behind. Just push it behind like this. Battery cable come out. Okay. Push it like this. Okay. Take out the screws on the battery. Okay, after you take out all the screws on the battery, then ease the battery up, remove it. Okay, now it's time to fix the new battery. Okay, the new battery, the cable is a bit hard, so before you put the battery to screw it, make sure you fix first the battery terminal inside, because the cable is a bit hard. Fix the battery terminal inside very nice first like this, then now you put the battery down and screw it. Okay, because it's new, so the battery cable needs to get some position. So when you put it inside, you make sure you squeeze it properly, so at least battery cable can rest properly like this. Okay, then now you replace all the screw back you take out. So many screw. Make sure you replace all the screw back you take out inside. Make sure you place all the screw back. Okay. After you place all the screw, now you need to put the back cover. Okay, the back cover have a clip here at the back here. Okay, make sure you slide the clip first. Make sure the clip goes inside, is the cover up like this. Okay, make sure the back clip fix first before you put it down. Okay, then now you fix it properly like this. Then you replace all the screw you take out back. So many screws. Make sure you place all the screw back. You need to get the right tools for this one, because this one the screws are like Allen key. You need to get the correct tools to open it. Make sure you place all the screws. Okay. After you close the laptop, okay, now you need to put your laptop on charge. You make sure you have to charge it for full charge 100% before you use the laptop, okay, because it's new battery. Even the battery is 50%, 80%, you don't need to use it. You have to turn it off, put on charge 100% full before you use the laptop, so you don't spoil the new battery inside. Okay, now the laptop is on. That means okay.